Tutorial: Mounting the swissgaloppers hoof boot ball protection. Attaching the ball protection. Preparation. Position the ball protection so that the two hook and loop fasteners can be passed through the inside of the heel cup. Make sure to use the designated loops on the heel cup. Fastening. Thread the hook and loop fasteners from the inside through the tabs of the heel cup and fasten them securely together. Important. Secure fit. Ensure that the hook and loop fasteners are fully closed and that the heel cup is firmly and correctly seated.